Nowadays, a lot of us want to start leveraging on AI platforms, how to train these AIs, how to get rewards with this AI. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing us this particular course. This is actually a full guide course on those of us that want to get started on data annotation. Recently, on my Telegram channel, I shared us an update on how we can get started on annotation jobs, how we can set up our LinkedIn and the likes of it. Now, this is actually a course that will enlighten you to know what you're actually venturing into. Now, before watching this video, if you're planning to get any course online, I would tell you to pause before getting it. Make sure you watch this video from this moment to the end before you go ahead to purchase any course that is related to data annotation, AI, Micro 1, Outlier, and the likes of it. So this particular video will show you what you need to know and how to get started on this particular platform. This is actually a full guide course on what you tend to understand about what is called AI system, how to train this AI, what you need to know, and everything. Now, at the end of this course, you will be given a certificate on this particular platform. All I just want you to do is to pay close attention to everything I'll be explaining right in this video, because at the end of this video, I'm going to be dropping the link of this particular platform on my channel or on the pinned comment section. So pay close attention so you get things right and get started with this particular platform. But before we proceed, guys, if you're coming across this channel for the first time or you're hearing this voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joaking. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online, make reviews, and also show you what works in the online space. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. Now, without no further ado, let's dive into the process of this. Now, when you click the link attached to this video, you'll be brought right here. Now, don't go ahead to click on sign up or log in. You are going to be following the process to understand how this works, because right here, this is actually a full guide course on data annotation. Now, when you come up here, you can see that it says data lens. What you have to do is to take your time, come through this particular interface. You're going to see course introduction. Now, it says accurate high quality data in the foundation of every AI system in the world, from computer vision models used in agriculture to chatbots used by banks and healthcare applications powered by natural language processing. The course is designed to equip absolute beginners the practical skill, hands-on experience needed to become professional data annotators. Now, this is where I actually want us to pay close attention. You can see where it says becoming professional data annotators in Africa fast-growing AI ecosystem. Now, let me break this down for us. Most of us believe that before you can start leveraging or operating as an annotator or working in any AI platform or firm, you require to use a VPN or proxy. Let me let you know that you can actually start Micro 1, one of the platforms, without having to use anything called proxy or VPN. Some of these AI platforms want you as Nigeria to access these platforms and give them feedback, because reviews from these particular platforms differs from individuals and differs from region. Nigeria tags are right here on these platforms, and there are also other tags that are assigned to other regions in the world. Right here it says learners will gain foundational knowledge of AI, explore the key except behind machine learning, and master core annotation skills used by global AI companies. The course focuses on real African data sets such as local languages, satellite imagery, regional traffic, skin culture, and so on. So what I want us to note is that AI does not actually focus on a particular segment. Now, you're training AI, you are actually working with the imagery and cultural, technical, anything that involves living. So you are actually training this AI in different forms. When you come right here, you can see this is the ideal starting point for anyone looking to begin a career in AI data work, even with no prior technical experience. So this is actually going to be showing you everything you need, like everything, without hiding anything. Now, when you come right here, you can see difficult level. These are the beginner level, designed for entry level data workers Course goal: equip learners with practical skill to annotate image, text, audio, video, and the likes of it. Now, the target audience are new data annotators, fresh graduates, or professional pivoting into AI data labeling roles. Now, these are the targets. These are people that this course is actually going to favor. The new data annotators, fresh graduates, or professionals pivoting into AI data labeling roles. Learning outcomes: complete a real-world multimodal annotation project professionally, perform image, text, audio, and the likes of it. Now, when you come right here, you can see mandatory hands-on lab pre-recorded to transform your theoretical knowledge into practical job-ready skill. This course includes a mandatory hands-on lab webinar that has been pre-recorded and embedded directly into the course content. The lab simulates real professional annotation tasks under expert guides. You will work with industry standard tools, annotate authentic data sets, and observe best practice used in real AI projects. Now, these are all what you are going to be getting in the course, and at the end, you are going to be getting a completion certificate. Upon successfully completion of both the online course content and the hands-on lab webinar, you will be issued a certificate of completion. Now, this is the requirement, the certificate requirement: complete all course modules and knowledge checks quiz, watch the full recorded hands-on lab webinar, complete all practice lab exercise included in the course. Certificates insurance: certificates are issued automatically and instantly once all course requirements are completed. Your digital certificate will be available immediately from your course dashboard. The certificate can be downloaded, shared on professional platforms such as LinkedIn, used to showcase your AI data annotation skill. Now, when you go into people's profile on LinkedIn, you will see a lot of certificates that have shown their qualifications on data annotation, different aspects, different courses. Now, this is the kind of certificate you'll be getting after going through this course and after finishing this course, following all the guide that is required. You can see right here, this is actually a sample. When you come right here, you can see join the community. Your learning journey does not end when your course is complete. Stay connected with fellow learners, mentors, and professionals by joining our official program community on Discord. So you are going to join them there. This is the central hub where aspiring and professional data annotators across Africa content collaborate and grow together. Why are you joining this community? Networking, job project opportunities, continuous learning and skill development, get support faster, and the likes of it. So these are all what you are going to be getting in the course. You can come right here, click right here, and join them on Discord. If you need help, you come right here to the contact support ticket right here. Now, if you want to go ahead with this course, you click on start course right here. But before you go over that, look at module 1 and look at what you'll be covering. That is module 1 for you. Now, when you come to module 2, you can see what you can cover. Now, module 1, we have the overview. We have what is AI. For some of us asking what is AI that don't know what AI is, you will get it in this course. Types of data used in AI. The role of data annotators in AI development. Module 1, knowledge check quiz. So this knowledge check quiz, you are going to be finding it on most of the modules. That is to conclude that you are done with that modules. Now, when you come over to module 2, you see fundamental of data annotation. Module 1 says introduction to AI and data annotation. So these are the overview of what you are getting under module 2. Module 2 overview, what is data annotation and the likes of it. So you don't actually expect to get different courses from different individuals. Once you get this particular one, I'm going to be leaving the link on the pinned comment section or on my Telegram channel. You are going to be getting all these for totally free. What is data annotation? Tags, classic, tagging, segmentation, and transcription. Module 3, image annotation for computer vision. Now, like I said, annotation jobs has audio, has image, has video, has a lot of things because we are here to train AIs. Those prompts you give to AIs under Gemini and some other AI platforms, these are prompts that people have used to train this AI. That is why you can be able to get responses that are accurate to the prompts you have given to any AI platform. Now, module 3 is actually very good. You can see it right here, image annotation for computer vision. And we have the module 4, text annotation for NLP. Now, these modules introduce text annotations method used in NLP systems such as named entity recognition, sentiment analysis, and intent classification. Learners practice annotating real textual data sets to support chatbots, search engine, and language models. Now this is where we train ChatGPT. Most of these words you get from ChatGPT, you can see chatbots. So module 4 actually is going to give you an insight of entity recognition, sentiment analysis and labeling, intent classification for chatbots, text classification, and the likes of it. Now we have the module 5, audio and video annotation. So these are simple methods you can follow. Now we have these modules to module 8. Module 8 is an overview and completion feedback survey. So you just have to use the link and get started on this platform. So what you can actually do is to come right here and you are going to hit the start course button. Now the moment you hit the start course button, you are going to be brought right here. Now you can see it says log in and you put in your password. That is if you already have an account, right? So you don't have an account. After going through everything I showed us, instead of logging in, you come over to sign up. You put in your first name, you put in your last name, put in your username, put in your email, put in your password, confirm your password, put in your phone number, and put in your country, put in a biography. So let's go ahead to try this right now. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to insert my first name. I'm going to insert my first name right here. So I'm going to insert my first name right here. And I'm going to insert my last name right here. So I'm going to follow this prompt. So this is actually what you are also going to be doing. I'm going to come right here and I'm going to put in my username and I'm going to put in let me go ahead to use this. I'm going to put in my email right here. I'm going to put in my email right here. Right? Then I'm going to put in my password. You can see it says strong, so I'm going to put in my password and I'm also going to confirm my password right here. I'm going to come right here and put in a phone number, put in my country and put in a barrel right here. So I'm going to put in my phone number right here and I'm going to select my country. Most of us will be asking, is it available in Nigeria? All countries are actually here. This job is for everyone. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to select Nigeria. Right, I'm going to come out, I'm going to select Nigeria and I'm going to add a profile right here. This profile, you can as well ask ChatGPT to give you a nice profile, then you submit. So let's try this. Let's go over to ChatGPT. Let's go over to ChatGPT and try this. So I'll go to ChatGPT right now. So I'll try asking ChatGPT to give me a nice profile, then I'll copy and paste over there. Then I'm going to go back to my registration page and I'm going to paste this. I'm going to paste this right here. Okay, it says I am a detailed oriented and reliable data annotator with strong blah blah blah. So let's stop right here. So let's stop right here. So you can see right here that I'm done with the registration. So these are only what you need. Then submit. So right here you can see where it says user registered, verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your email. See that I've been approved and I have been verified. I've verified my email. So the next thing you want to do right now is to log in with the email that you have used in creating your account. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to log in with the details I used in creating my account and I'm going to insert my password and you are going to proceed in with the course. So I'm going to come right here and insert my password. So I'm done with everything. I'm going to come right here and log in. So the moment you log into your account, this is what you are going to be seeing. You are going to be seeing welcome, your name. So you can see from your account dashboard, you can edit your profile details and edit your password as well. Not Joaking, you can sign out. So now how do you access this course? This is your profile details. And you can come right here and log out as well. This is your profile details. You can come right here and log out as well. So now the main thing is for you to start the course. How do you start the course after the creation of your account? Let's go over to the home page where we actually found the course. So you are going to come right here. You can see right here, this is actually the course. These are the courses, right? These are the courses. These are everything right here. So this one says essentials of data labeling for AI development. This one says human in the loop. That's HITL, QA and data quality management. And LLM fine tuning prompts. So when you go over to my LinkedIn profile, all these courses I've actually gone through them in another format. So these are all the courses. So what you can actually do is to get started with this course. You can see course introduction, large language and the likes of it. Explore this particular page and start the course. So that is how you can get this free course on this platform and learn data annotation for free. So what you are going to be doing is to make sure you read this course very well so you can be able to be given certificates after this program. You are going to be finding the link of this particular platform on the pinned comment section or on my Telegram channel. So once you get this link, register for an account and start leveraging data annotation, and you can then start operating on all those AI platforms without having to ask a lot of questions. So this particular platform is a free course that can give you insights on how data annotation or being a data annotator works. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video. And if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, if you have any questions regarding everything said in this video, feel free to drop that on the comment section and I'll be glad to give a response to that. It's always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group where I won't give giveaways and also show you some other benefits that you can get online in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.